Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a nail design for Heidi at Skull Lover Nails. It's an Instagram collab hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Carolyn Archer. So I've started off with Nailtix Formula 2 and this is Braves Diva Lacuna. And it's a beautiful pastel lilac in my opinion. That's just what I'm going at. Lacuna lilac. So that's what we're going with today. So it is a little streaky and patchy on the first round, but trust me, on the second coat it's going to build up beautifully. Pastel colors are typically, they're just like that. I'm going to cap my free edge real quick here. And then we're going to get on in with it. Here we go with our second coat of Lacuna. And this Instagram collab is to help cheer up our friend Heidi at Skull Lover Nails. She's just been a little down lately. I don't know the specifics, and I wouldn't share even if I did. But this nail community is strong, and we try to take care of our own. And so I wanted to jump in and do this one. I am going to top this with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down. Now, I had to keep mine relatively simple. At the time when I recorded this, I wasn't feeling all too swift. I didn't get sick. I wasn't feeling sick. I just was really kind of just, blah. So I'm going to cap my free edge here. And we're going to get this dry down. So there is Lacuna on its own. I'm going to use these nail stickers that were sent to me by my friend Miss Janet. And keep it pretty simple today. But you guys know, if anybody could struggle with something, it's going to be me, and it's going to be this. But that's okay. We're going to get it. So I did use my little tweezers to remove them from the paper, and I'm going to use this little cuticle tool to kind of mush them down and flatten them out and make sure that they're as smooth as I can get them. That is my issue with stickers. And some stickers are a little thicker than others, and these were on the thicker side. I've had some that were paper thin, and you had trouble getting them off the backing because they would tear. They were so thin. But I'm going to smooth these down. I'm picking just different ones that I think will complement each other. The theme was supposed to be flower manicures. And I was pretty excited about it because, I like flowers. And, when it's winter and everything's all brown and yucky and whatever, it's nice to see those pops of color that nature provides us. So I'm using a lot of these little roses and the other little flowers. I don't know what they are, but they're cute too, and they match the color. So I'm just going to go with it. And I'm trying to mush those down really well. Very, very nice. Very, very nice stickers. I did end up, I think I showed me doing 2 coats of top coat, a thick top coat, but after the fact, and after they dried down a little bit more, I ended up having to go back in with a thick coat of the Jealous from American Classics, and then another coat of the Quick Dry Top Coat to make them totally smooth. And they're smooth as glass. So no risk of anything popping up. Now for my pinky nail, I'm going to use this little one, and I needed to trim it down to make it even littler. So I'm just trimming that down. You can do that with the stickers. You can make them fit what you want them to fit. And then I didn't place it very good, so we've got to move that up. There we go. I'm going to smooth that one down just like the others. So as soon as I can, or if I get links to the Instagram peeps, I will list it down in the description box so you can go and check out all the manicures that were done to help inspire Heidi. And hopefully we can get a smile on her face. That would be nice. So there goes the first coat of Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls, and now I'm doing a second coat. Like I said, after these dried down even more, I had to do some more top coating. So there you go. So there we have it. Here's my manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.